Alright guys, how we doing? Welcome to another video from Wheel Hobbies. Alright Gary?
Hi.
It's a nice day today, isn't it?
I don't want to be in the work.
Stephen, how we doing? So what are we doing today, guys? I think we're...
general stuff, aren't we? The kind of
some nice cars around here.
Yeah.
We're going to pull your engine out your van, aren't we?
Yeah, right time.
Check it out. Check it out. Look at this beast.
Ford F100.
Apparently it's got a leaky roof. I wonder why.
Oh, Dane, you've spotted that sunroof that someone's put in as well. Take the camera higher. You just don't do it to a car like that.
Oh dear. It's a nice bit of kit, isn't it?
Show the people the Impala.
Impala?
Yeah.
Flipping heck. Muscle Village, is it?
Must be.
Check it out. Look at this beast. Wow. Nice.
Dane, why are you so intrigued with the muscle car? This is muscle car. I mean rotten car.
That's just scrap.
Yeah.
That's just scrap. That's just.
We are actually going to be doing a video of this when it gets stripped down to show how
Oh yeah.
is.
Look out for that video, guys. Oh, look at this beast. What a badass car.
This is what you call a true muscle car thing.
What's that? Oh, is that Stephen's whip?
This is Stephen's whip. This is
Little Peugeot Auto. Yeah, size of that. It's like a sofa in there. You could sit and watch EastEnders in there, can you? You could.
Talk about body count, don't they? When they talk about muscle car boots.
They do.
I reckon you could get probably 16 in here. Maybe.
16 bodies in the back of this.
You can get 16 people in a Mini.
Yeah.
Easy get 16 in there.
Yeah.
Maybe chop them up and rearrange the limbs a bit better.
See, these are the sorts of cars you see around here. We got Nolan in the house. What are you working on, Nolan?
Audi front end smash.
So what happened to this? The guy hit a lamppost.
Yeah, hit a lamppost.
Oh dear.
Straighten out all the lights.
So what, new radiator, cross panel,
Yeah.
bits and pieces.
Needs to get resprayed as well.
Ah yeah.
It was a bad one, really.
Yeah. New radiator fans. Bumper's been bodged back together. We'll show you that now.
Yeah, we didn't do that.
No, we didn't do that. Looks like something I'd do. So the van's getting stripped?
Yeah. Van's getting stripped again, mate.
Oh dear.
No, only for the back though, isn't it?
Yeah.
New clutch. Get all this engine bay tidied up. Might even put some lighting in here, Dean. What do you reckon? Yeah?
Why not? So engine will be out in 10 minutes then?
Oh yeah, just waiting for the fork truck to come around now.
So what do you think of Gary's Astra van with a Starve engine in, Steve?
I don't know what to say.
You do know what to say. You normally know what to say when you're not on camera. Don't you, Gaz? Yeah. Be yourself. What do you think of it? You like Starve engines, don't you, in Vauxhalls?
Not really, no. They should be left standard.
Do you hate them? You think it's an utter pile of doggy doo-doo, don't you?
Too right.
We have no affiliation with Burger King by any means, guys. It's just we like to eat there all the time.
Yeah, I'm just fat. But everyone knows that.
Yeah.
Fat and vertically challenged. Pretty much.
I'll get in.
That's what she said.
Yep.
Removable slam panel. Look at that.
Not
This is what you can expect from Hillthorpe Customs.
No, don't. It's poor advertising. This is poor quality.
No, it's good.
It's good for fast.
As we're filming this video, the first episode of Bedslinger is actually uploaded on YouTube right now as I speak.
Yeah, Gareth's finally done it.
Gareth's finally
No
done
offence,
it.
Gareth.
He's finally done it. We've got a custom-made Mark IV B204 engine mount, which utilises a BMW bush to the chassis leg. Nice job this mount, Gaz.
Yeah, guys, if you're actually wondering why I've got the jack out when I've got the ramp, is unfortunately the ramp's failed on me.
Ah, well.
I need to get it fixed.
It's key.
Yeah. Believe it or not, this used to be a rocket lift jack, Dean. And let's just do it.
Yeah, get it done.
Yeah. This is the pathway recovery. Oh, hello.
No, carry on. Don't let me stop it.
No, I don't have Ariana Grande messaging me all the time, mate, saying you do a brilliant take of my video, my song. Check out the Ginny tyres, Dean.
The budget finest today.
It was on the van when I had it, didn't they?
Yeah, man.
Definitely going soon when I have the power.
Size brakes are these, Gary?
Oh, they're upgrading, they are. They're good
They,
for 500 horsepower.
Good for stage 11.
Yeah.
Because isn't this going to be going stage 11 when it's done?
Yeah.
Stage-
T25 for the win, mate.
Yeah. So tell us a bit about what I'm looking at here, Gaz.
Custom-made bottom crank pulley using the crank pickup ring out of a wrecked B204 engine. Obviously, a little custom bracket there to mount the original van crank sensor, so it uses its own signal to activate all the clocks, RPM, power steering, blah 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 blah.
Nice idea.
Yeah.
What on earth is that? It's not making the right noises, Gary.
No, definitely not.
Gareth? Gareth? That's not making the right noises.
Another tip, guys, for when you're draining the cooling system down, using the Saab radiator, there is a drainer on the bottom of the radiator. So get yourself a pipe and undo this, and
If in doubt, whip it out.
yeah, that's it.
There we go.
Nothing worse with the. You watch, it's going to be blank now. It's just going to make me look silly. And, oh, there we go. She's
There we
dribbling.
go.
Right.
She's frothing at the gas, Gary.
Frothing there, so. Yeah, so while that's draining, guys, have coffee.
Sponsored
Stephen, you didn't make me one.
or me.
Oh, have you made me one? Oh, sorry. Do you know what? I'm going to have to apologise now. Let me see you. Come back.
Steve, why don't you take your hang out?
Maybe later.
Right, guys, quick cap now. Take our brackets off the radiator, all but water pipes off, boom. Gearbox mount, rear mount, engine mount, down pipe, loom out the way, engine out.
And there we have it.
It's coming out, mate.
It's coming out.
Yeah. Do you know what I love about editing?
What's that?
Is that you just click your fingers.
Job done.
Yeah.
Yeah, just like that. And just like that, everything's off. Shafts are out. All the auxiliaries are off. Loom's off.
Yeah, but when I click my fingers down, it's supposed to already be out, but my power is not working.
Come on then, Gary, pull it out.
Maybe you try it.
Well, it's not working.
I reckon we should try it with Nolan. Nolan, have you got the clickability to get it out?
3, 2, 1.
Hey, Nolan!
It's done.
You got the... Hey, there's Adam there. Hi, Adam.
High five.
High five. Here's Adam from next door.
Am I famous?
Yeah, this is going on YouTube, this is.
Is it?
Yeah, hi guys.
Anyway, guys, that's it
Rude.
for this video, innit?
Yeah, well,
Video?
yeah, we'll wrap this one up now, but obviously I'll be carrying on through the night. So I'll be showing you progress of this monstrosity. Look at it. Yeah, dirt. Dirt. Bye.
Bye.